We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for returns for to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with Aterian stock holding itself up at key support levels, but sitting sideways within the price action. Now the overall market actually was dipping at the morning and then it took off. And at 11:15 a.m., our SPY bot sent out a bull indicator. And from that moment forward, call options went up 2 to 3x plus within an hour, guys. And this is our new release that allows us to have an edge within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. And you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and we have other bots on the way so that you can receive that edge and clarity that you deserve within the volatility of the markets. And you can now join the members using this resource to go ahead and maximize within the volatility, whether stocks are going up or going down, by receiving that edge and clarity over the charts. So Aterian stock sitting sideways. We have some key levels to talk about. It looks like there's some strength, but the bears are trying to put pressure here by not letting the bulls go much higher. But we're going to break it all down in today's video. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. And we strive for opportunities like these every single day. So here we are with the two stocks I mentioned this morning, and one of them turned out to be a home run, and that was SQZ. We caught this one in the pre-market as it was pulling downwards, and towards the bell, it found a reversal point, got that strength on 42 vision, got that bull indicator as well, and went up for a highest point of 30% plus, guys. If you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with Aterian stock, as I stated earlier in the video, sitting sideways and fighting to hold itself up. So we're going to break it all down today on the 4-hour and the 1-day. And here on the 30-minute, I'm going to pull up Ultimate 42 Vision as well, the bull and bear indicators, which you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, and our newly released Tesla bot, so that you can receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. And you can now join the members using these resources to maximize in either direction by receiving that clarity and edge over the charts. So here we are with Aterian stock under a bear indicator since yesterday, and it was going higher, and I broke it down that on the 15-minute we saw a bull indicator, and also yesterday on the 5-minute, right? Since way down here at $4.97 all the way up towards $5.44. I mean, that was nearly a 10 to 15% plus move. And then it got a bear indicator in the aftermarket hours for those that were able to see the live action. And today things have been flip-flopping, right? Back and forth, a lot of volatility. But in the bigger picture, right? Back to the 30-minute, this bear indicator, I stated, even though it's going higher, if no bull indicator pops up to cancel it out within the volatility, this bear indicator may dominate the chart, and the overall picture is right now under the pressure of this bear indicator. No matter how much it goes higher, it has to break out above 544 now for it to actually possibly cancel it, because this is a pretty big move here from way down here at 470s to 544, a total of almost 20% in a single day. And this bear indicator did not even flinch. And today, nothing has done enough strength to knock out this bear indicator with a bull indicator popping up in the move. Now, it's still pretty strong here to see the bulls fighting and trying to hold themselves up and creating supports that are higher than yesterday's low, kind of creating a staircase effect. but it's going to take a lot more pressure to the upside to negate this bear indicator. And that's what I've talked about in yesterday's video. And this is where within the volatility, there's opportunities, but you want to have that clarity and edge. And that's where 42 vision comes into play to allow us to see the dips and the rips within the volatility. So if I pull up the 4-hour though, you could see that the 4-hour has been under a bear indicator since way up here at 575. And we recently touched highs here of 577 and rejected that area. This is the second rejection since this bear indicator, and that's where we know that that's a key resistance level to break through, and no bull indicator has popped up even in this move from the lows down here of $4 all the way up to 476, 77 give or take, and that's nearly a 30% plus move in just 2 days. So not enough pressure to negate these bear indicators even on the 30-minute and so far on the 4-hour. And right now, things are really volatile, and it's going to take a lot more strength for this stock to break out and eventually get a bull indicator that can negate this bear indicator. If that does not happen, no matter how much movement back and forth, the overall picture is showing since way back here on April 20th that this bear indicator is dominating the chart. And that's what I'm going to be watching carefully on the 30-minute and the 4-hour. Now on the 1 day, the bigger picture, as I stated, we've been under a bull indicator, and within the volatility, it's holding itself up. But if this shifts back to those bars that are pointing downwards in this direction, and they turn dark green with red borders as they did here, and it continues, and this possibly shifts into a red bar, or eventually a bear indicator pops up and negates this bull indicator, that's going to signify further weakness in the bigger picture. But as long as this bull indicator lasts and holds itself up, and these do not shift back to dark green with red borders or red bars, they hold themselves up, this could mean that there is some strength in the bigger picture, and within this volatility, this is just a lot of price action. But right now, the bear indicators are dominating, and eventually if they pull down the 1 day with it, there may be a bear indicator that pops up as well. So these are the 3 things I'm watching carefully: the bigger picture, then a little bit less volatility on the 4-hour, and then here we are with the most volatility on the 30-minute, and we are now currently under a bear indicator. And if we retest these support levels down here, right here and right here, that is going to signify that this could continue to pull down the 4-hour, and the 1 day may go with it. So it's going to be important to keep those in mind. So the first thing is this support level here at 496. If that gets broken through, the next one's down here at 475. Those are the key support levels I'm watching right now. And to the upside, we want to break above today's high at 526 and yesterday's high up here at 544 and even 577 range way back up here. So we do have some key levels to be watching to the upside and downside very carefully. But overall right now, the 4-hour and the 1 day are looking very different. One has a bear indicator, one has a bull indicator, but the 30-minute has a bear indicator right now that if it does not get canceled out, it's going to pull down with the 4-hour, could actually end up with a bear indicator as well. When you look at it, if this pulls downwards, it's going to be very important to watch. But this is very strong right now. If it does not break below those levels, and we need a bull indicator to cancel out this bear indicator. Those are the key things that I'm really paying attention to within this volatility. And to receive clarity within the charts, check out the link down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and there's many more bots on the way to get connected to the Discord. It sends us direct notifications to give us that edge and clarity within the charts, and you can receive this edge and clarity that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on the opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. You can now gain access to these resources and join the members using these resources, receiving that edge and clarity within the volatility to the markets, whether stocks are jumping up, going down, bearish or bullish. No FOMO, no chasing, just focused on what really matters and maximizing within those moves. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some